In today's video, I'll teach you how to check delivery time in AliExpress. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in aliexpress.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of AliExpress. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to check the delivery time, what you have to do is simply go to the order history interface. For that, hover over this option account that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find the options like my orders, my coins, message center, etc. Click on this option my orders that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the orders interface. You'll be able to see all of your orders over here. You can also search for the order by using the order ID, product or store name. For that, you can click on the search bar. Now simply type in order ID, product or store name and you'll be able to view that specific order. Now after you find the order that you want to check the delivery time of, what you have to do is simply click on it. After you do that, you'll be able to find the option for track order. Click on that option. Now after that, you'll be able to find the shipping update as well as estimated delivery date and time over there. So like this, you'll be able to check the delivery time. So that is how you check delivery time on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.